The Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip 6, Samsung's next foldable phones, are expected to have improved internal screens, potentially with the addition of a novel technology known as IronFlex. Through the adoption of this new marketing phrase, the corporation appears to be intent on expressing the endurance of these foldable screens. To demonstrate its purpose, Samsung applied to register the IronFlex trademark with the Korean Intellectual Property Rights Information Service, KIPRIS, on January 3. According to Galaxy Club, the trademark application clearly outlines a foldable OLED display panel designed for a variety of goods, including foldable smartphones, foldable tablet computers, and a foldable wearable video display monitor. Samsung's journey with foldable panels was fraught with difficulties, most notably with the launch of the first Galaxy Fold 5 years ago. The first release had complications, with several review units encountering issues such as folding screens cracking due in part to misunderstandings about the built-in screen protector. Despite the difficulties, Samsung has been committed to enhancing the durability of its foldable panels, as well as redefining public opinion of this nascent technology. The latest Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 models reflect considerable developments over their predecessors, demonstrating Samsung's dedication to perfecting foldable technology. Despite these advancements, potential purchasers have shown reluctance to embrace foldable phones. The IronFlex trademark represents Samsung's continued attempts to remove the stigma associated with foldable screen durability. While the specifics of IronFlex have yet to be published, it is most likely related with Samsung's desire to create trust in customers. The goal is to persuade people that the IronFlex branded Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are more durable than ever, marking a waterspoint in the advancement of foldable devices. Given the date of this trademark application, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are likely to be the first Samsung products to bear the IronFlex branding. These much-anticipated foldable phones are scheduled to be introduced later this summer. Meanwhile, Samsung has an interesting lineup for enthusiasts, with the Galaxy S24 series set to be unveiled on January 17 at an Unpacked event in San Jose, California. Throughout the first half of 2024, the business intends to release a new rugged phone as well as other Galaxy and mid-range products.